What's up, my fellow tree huggers? It's Finn with Treehouse Overland, doing a short video today on the new Skid Row catalytic converter guards. Now, these are spec'd for the first gen Tundras and the 2000 to 2004 Sequoias. I have a 2006, so I think I'm going to have to remove those brackets. They go from the transmission crossmember to the frame, but we'll figure that out later. Let me just show them to you. They're 1/8 inch steel. They're pretty nice. They attach to the transmission skid at 3 points with these carriage bolts, which is cool because you can't get them off from the outside. Let's take a walk real quick and let me show you what I mean. This is where they attach. 1, 2, 3. And as you can see, this bracket's in the way, so we're going to go ahead and remove that. So I'm going to go ahead and install these and then determine if this is a better deterrent than that. I'm hoping I don't have to choose and I can use them both. Time will tell. A swivel really helps with this install, guys. One side kept wanting to pull the other side off, so I found the easiest thing to do was just to start all 3 bolts by hand and then hit it with the impact. So here's a close-up of the carriage bolts. Nobody's getting these off from the outside. It's just not happening. Let's go ahead and get the other side taken care of. She looks good. Let's get her back on. Be careful you don't drop these in the holes. Let's go ahead and see if we can get our braces back on. And that's a big negative. I tried manhandling the thing to no avail. So, we don't want to go on, but we got a plan. I'm going to get the bottoms in and then take a jack to this one. Not seeing the bolt holes, so we'll try again. This time I thought if I put the jack into one of those slots on the cat guard, it would push it far enough out of the way where I could bolt this thing in. I didn't like that. This is why I do these videos, you guys, so you don't have to make the same mistakes as me. Because I love watching a video where they get it right, and I don't have to make a million mistakes. Then I tried tightening the bottom 2 bolts so the bracket would have no place to go but back to its home. Let's jack it up and see what happens. Nope. I'm going to adjust the bracket one more time. I'm going to push it forward as far as I can and towards the driver's side. And I'm going to tighten them 2 bolts down tight. And we got them, guys. So that was the key. Push the bracket all the way forward and towards the center of the truck. Make sure you tighten the outer bolt before the inner bolt, otherwise it's going to want to jump out of alignment. There we go.
Hi, Finn. Can I watch you?
Dual protection. So I did skin it a little bit. No big deal. Here's the goal right there, apparently. I read somewhere in Africa, they're taking the catalytic converters out of high mileage vehicles, opening them up, and smoking the contents. What is this world coming to? Anyway, second verse, same as the first. Same thing on the other side, guys. Hope this has been helpful to somebody. This is Finn from Treehouse Overland, signing off.